All right, here we have K5. This is the complete graph on 5 vertices. You'll notice there are 5 vertices, V1, V2, V3, V4, V5. And this has all possible edges. So this is K5. An example of the complete graph on n vertices. It has all possible edges that you could possibly, has all possible edges that you could possibly have with 5 vertices. Let me draw some other ones. Let's say K4. So I'll draw K4 here. So 4 vertices. How many edges are there possible? Let's see. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it, right? Going like this doesn't make sense because that's a double edge. We've already got that edge right there. All right, so this is K4. Let's see, K6. This is actually drawn in the Zai book. I think that's it. But now I want to make a connection to counting, the counting we did in this class earlier. Now remember that, so let's see, how many edges do we have here? Let's say, remember this is K5 here. So the edges of K5, or the number of edges, right? Remember little e is the number of edges, right? This is number of edges. So let's count them maybe. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So K5 has 10 edges. All right. Now the vertices of K5, as we've drawn it here, the vertices are V1, V2, V3, V4, and V5. And now remember, what are edges? Edges of K5, now I'm not going to list them all out because I don't have room. But let's start with, say, V1. So we would have V1, V2 would be an edge. V1, V3 would be an edge, and so on, right? The important part here is that these are all 2-element subsets of a set with 5 elements. And this is all possible, right? It's, remember, like I said, all possible edges. So it's all possible edges. All possible edges that can be formed from a vertex set with 5 vertices. And edges are 2-element subsets of the vertex set. So this is all possible. So this number here, this is all possible. This is the number of 2-element subsets of a set with 5 elements. So another way to say this is 5, choose 2. right? Because this edge right here, this is a 2-element subset. This is a 2-element subset of this set. This edge right here is a 2-element subset of this set. This edge right here we represent as a 2-element subset of this set. And the complete graph has all possible edges. So it's all possible 2-element subsets of a set with 5 elements. In this case, the set with 5 elements is the vertex set. This is true for all complete graphs. Let's see. Right, let's say the complete graph on n vertices, the vertex set, let's say vertices of Kn. The vertex set would be V1, V2, all the way up to Vn. The edge set is going to consist of all Vi, Vj, where Vi, Vj are elements of the vertex set. Right, so looking at this thing, let's see. Remember that the little e is the number, right? This is the cardinality of the edge set. And this is the number of, so remember the edge set, this is all the edge set, or the edges, right? These are 2-element subsets of the vertex set. This is all of the 2-element subsets of the vertex set. So this thing, the edges of Kn contains all 2-element subsets of a set with n elements. This is n choose 2.